National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for Grand Parish in north-central Louisiana, Wausau Parish in north-central Louisiana, until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:58 p.m. Central Standard Time, a tornado-producing storm was located over Colfax, Oregon, 7 miles northeast of Lena, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar-confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Gina at midway around 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Nebo, Zenoria, Rogers, Lake Ott, Pollock, Aloha, Dry Prong, Fishville, Bentley, and Williana. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.